If you have stumps on your property that look like this, and you want a landscape to look more like that, we have the answer. The Quick Stump Away Stump Grinder by Quick Attach. It has a small footprint and can access those hard to reach areas. The bidirectional cutting design allows for dual pass operation without moving the skid steer. The 55-degree 4-foot outside arc swath gives a bigger cut per pass. There's a large 24-inch diameter steel cutting wheel that's a ½ inch thick with 32 carbide teeth and a speed that'll reach up to 1,100 revolutions per minute. Here's a 28 by 13.5-inch hardwood oak. The Quick Stump Away cuts through with ease. The offset wheel gives the operator perfect visibility. No jumping around, just smooth cutting. This stump took 10 minutes from start to finish, reaching 8 inches below grade. The electronic over hydraulic drive system equals more power and lower maintenance, while allowing up, down, and left-right adjustments, while the grinding wheel is turning for maximum adjustability and higher productivity. The Quick Stump Away by Quick Attach, the ultimate stump grinding machine. If you're in the landscaping business, this is a must-have. Wooded property owners, this will save you so much time. With no gearbox, there will be no downtime and no problems. With warranty and service long after the sale. Call one of our specialists today. You'll be glad you did.